there is an innovation, if there is an innovative product, then in that case they should not go through tender, anyhow they will not go through tender. So there can be a provision where they can go proposal based. Since it is an innovative product, new product, there can't be a tender. So when an innovator, when a startup goes to organization and they give the proposal, there has to be a place, a space where innovative product and idea could be accepted. Already product is existing, in that case, yeah. If there is a product already existing, in that case there is going to be competition. When there are competition, the tendering process and all terms and condition is bound to be there. So we are only talking about the startups, and startups means new product, new idea, and new things. So there is not going to be a tender anyway. So
well, there
proposal
are
based.
two cases. One is you have developed a very cost effective solution for an existing problem in which there are other actors also, but though they are charging much more than what you are charging, you have reduced the cost by 50%, let us say, as in the case of Sharad he had mentioned. Then can we that, but they will be ineligible. Country will continue to spend time 50% more money because these kids are not eligible. So that is one issue. Second issue that you are saying is that when there is a unique product for which there is no market existing otherwise, you cannot give a tender because other people cannot. So what some people have done, some companies, ONGC did it for one product in northeast Assam. We had a technology for security for the oil rigs, and then what they did was they wrote the specification looking at your technology and issued a tender. It was clear that it was designed for you.
So it's basically to beat the government system. See, there is a system in the government that you cannot go without tender, and that is why based on your product requirement and yours, parameters,
Which is
they design the tender.
which is not a fair system. But that, since in this case they had no other solution.
Exactly, yeah.
They did
so
that.
it happens in many of the cases. Like in our cases, we are the innovator in G Auto, and we are the only organization working in this sector. So when we go to airport, railway station, or for let's say I'm going to railway, that give me the this thing. So they will say, okay, there is no policy in place. I said, so we will have to issue a tender there. So basically they again go for the tendering process, and in tender nobody comes because we are the only player in this. So we get a tender. But then again it's beating the system. Instead of that, you accept the proposal, and there has to be a longer perishability of the idea and product. It's like for patenting, we go for 5 years, 10 years, that a particular, the innovator will be having, the right to innovate, to use this particular thing. Similarly for the services also, let's give for 3 years, 2 years, something like that. You make that if somebody is coming with a proposal, he will be having a 2 years of monopoly, and then if somebody copies it, again after 2 years, we will go for the tendering.
Okay, very good. 2 years exclusivity market, and what they call the EMR, exclusive market right.
Exactly. 2-3 years can be said, so that people should be encouraged to go for innovative ideas and products.
Okay, very good point, very good point, very good point. Yes, no, we will record that very well. There was a suggestion, of course, which we discussed in the morning, collaboration. How can startups help each other? Any examples where you have helped each other? Any startup has helped each other? Yeah.
We started with the concept of an online salad bar, then needed a physical presence because people demanded. But then we didn't want to get stuck with this idea of being just a restaurant. So we said, we're going to be different. We're basically computer engineers and got into food line. So we have the concept of having the little dine-in area to be a launchpad to new ideas. We have only startup discounts. Come there, have your meetings, involve us if you need. When there are newcomers, we share ideas. They leave their business cards. In case we can help them, we can direct them to right people. Because of having salads for meals, we have a very elite clientele. So we have good targets. We have good people to reach to. There's a concept called Share Hero. Now he's launching this week, and it's like we don't buy tools. हथौड़ी है मैं नहीं खरीदती अभी 5 मिनट के लिए चाहिए, but you have to go and find a worker. Instead, if you have it, you are gonna lend me. You are ready to lend me. Let's share it. You can rent it. You can purchase it, and that's his concept. So we joined hands to help him. We are ready to give our place as the share point. If people want to donate
Correct.
and
They
NGOs
can
want
come
to
there and
collect,
they can take it.
they can collect it.
Very
They can
interesting.
leave it for a day and collect it at their will.
Very good point.
So that's
I like this idea.
Uh,
Very
that's
good.
one startup we helped. Next one was Just Organic. So yeah, we want to go organic next.
So
Trying
you can
to
source from
have
them
hands
and
from Then there is one more. Yeah, this Meghdhanush. They make
Huh?
their Meghdhanush. They make their own sharbats. So we have this concept of drink filler and salad. Let's replace our drink with theirs,
okay.
and we get rid of one thing to be tackled, and it's okay if someone else gets credit, and people are using it. So likewise, we are in touch with people.
Very
and
good, very good. I like this spirit. We should give a big hand to her. This is a very good, very positive spirit, very positive spirit. There is a concept of anti-cafe. Have you heard about that? In Paris, I went to that cafe, anti-cafe. Started by a student pass out that year only, when I went 2 years ago, or 1.5 years ago. Here, you don't pay for any eatables or any drinks, beverages or anything. You only pay for the time. So, €4 for the first hour and then €2.5 every next hour, and you get all facilities. You can make presentations. There is overhead projector. There is a computer. There is there are no hard drinks, but soft drinks, tea, coffee, snacks, salad, biscuits, cookies. You can eat a whole day if you want there, not an issue. You pay only €2.5 per hour, except first hour. I thought it was a great idea for many startups to have some such places where they can do business, they can make presentations, they can have even a meeting room, lounge to do things, take it easy, relax and so on. We do not have such places in Ahmedabad as yet. You said you have a very small place at the moment.
It's
meeting
totally
place kind of
500 square feet area, out
Not
of
too
which
small
100, 120 is the kitchen, 100 for the packaging, and remaining a seating arrangement.
So, that is not too small.
Yeah, but it accommodates only 14 on table and five more otherwise.
Yeah, that is okay. That is not too small. For startup, it is not too small. They will not have big crowd to bring with them. They will have 1 or 2 people to talk to and discuss.
We other than that, we also approached Circuitrix to leave their demo, leave one of their kits there, so that kids coming there can have a look and do something. Similarly, they I don't know if you know, Jignesh Vasavda is writing a book on Namo, so even he's going to leave his book there. So other than mingling nicely, there's a lot of intellectual.
Where is it located?
Prahlad Nagar Garden Crossroads,
Prahlad
Campus
Nagar
Corner
Garden.
1.
So, Prahlad Nagar Garden Crossroad, what is the name?
Love for Salad.
Love for Salad, Love for Salad. I will do a 2-minute ad for you.
Thank you.
Anybody listening to this program is invited there, and you can have a nice eat of salad, good soft, good drinks, fruit drinks. Yes, good fruit drinks, healthy salad, healthy drinks, and healthy mind and healthy ideas. Great, wonderful.
Sir, coming to collaboration of the startups, my experience is that it's market dynamics takes care of it, because we as a startup, suppose I want a service, if I go to let's say for let's say IT thing, if I go to Infosys and search them, they will charge 20 lakh, 50 lakh something. The same thing, same technology can be developed by a startup, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 kind of this thing. So this much of difference comes. As a startup and a startup collaboration.
No, but collaboration, you are right, Nirmal, but it's not taking place enough. It's not taking place enough. See, she gave example of 3 or 4 people. There were in the morning about 50, 60 or 40 people. Then there are many more who are not here today, but who we know are there. We don't hear too many stories of startups helping each other.
I just share my story just 15 days back. I wanted to develop application.
Mike.
So I put this thing on the Facebook that I wanted IT experts to develop an application, and then I started getting a lot of list of startups. Those were in my friend list or reference and all. And one from IIM Indore, he had started making a application venture here just 1 year back, and he got connected, and then I got it developed from him. Probably the same thing I would have developed from some IT firm, bigger IT firm. It would have been in lakhs, and he developed in thousands.
Very good.
So that's how, there is a need to develop a platform where we could find the people, like social media is already there. We can have a startup platform, but then the market dynamics will take care its own to help a startup to start up, because the cost of startup, the paying capacity of a startup, both are less. So even a startup can't pay millions of rupees to develop a software, and the cost of developing for the startup is lesser because they don't have people paying lakhs of rupees for the salaries.
We might give them some space at the time of exhibition at our conference if they want to have a space. There will be about 300 people from around the world, mostly Indian, but large number from Brazil, Portugal, Spain, Japan, US, Zimbabwe, UK, all over the world. At this conference we have from 19 to 22nd. And if you want to put a salad bar there, we can give you a place. If you can handle it, you can use it for branding. Yeah, salad bar in IMA, use our social capital. What's there after all? Some students might even volunteer actually. If you send a mail to our entry club, somebody might volunteer to help you run. And there is one person with us who wants to set up a cafe. I'll ask her to talk to you. Maybe Namika was trying to talk about, a cafe for startups and so on.
There is one of the company who is organizing workshops for industries and colleges, maybe engineering colleges or anything. So we collaborated with them, and we are collaborated through the 3D printing and 3D scanning workshop with them. So now previously they are giving workshop normally of robotics from hiring people from like this. So now most of the workshops are 3D printing, and we are doing through them. So they are getting a lot of workshops, and they are connecting through us to the students. And
skill building.
Yeah, skill building.
How about the price now for 3D printer?
Desktop 3D printer starting from like 50,000, 1 lakh to 3 lakhs. Various varieties are there.
For plastic or aluminum?
Plastic.
Plastic. Aluminum also?
Sorry? They are costly.
For aluminum?
Yeah, it's costly. Metal is costly.
Okay. Okay.
I also know one example. I mean, hiring professionals is very, costly affair. So they, I mean, if you want to do some say, small job for 2-3 days or say a month or 2 months, hiring professionals is a costly affair. So there's a startup in our venture studio. It's called Interest. So they connect people based on their interests. I think that's very good because they are the kind of people startups need, enthusiasts, hobbyists, and they are driven by the interest. They are not driven by the money. And
Okay. Okay. So we only want that we should think of some ideas by which we can encourage collaboration. Yes, please. Yes, Kari, go ahead.
I also want to share my own experience with the Organic G. Like we had a lot of support from friends who just started their own like website developer, designer. So like our startup has started in very few, like less than 10,000 rupees.
Wonderful.
Because we are also giving our services to them, like international marketing. We are giving 2 hours to them. Like we also have talk with my friend. He's giving us a space for sitting for whole day at least. So like in few hours I will work for them. So that way we are sharing. And
No, I want these examples to be shared. You should send a blog post. We'll put it at CNG, at our website. We'll also put a Techpedia. We want examples of collaboration to be shared and highlighted because this is the culture which will make difference to our society and our country and our whole future. In fact, destiny depends upon how collaborative we are.
Yes.
Because I mean, sure, you can pay for certain things, but there are a lot of things you can't pay for them adequately.
Correct,
I mean,
correct.
the energy, the spirit,
Yes.
the love and affection, all of that you can't pay for them enough. So I think we should encourage those things as much as possible, and we should get those stories shared so that collaborative environment.
Sir, to extend this point of yours, what I was thinking is knowledge sharing is really good. But as I had a few words with few colleagues of mine, as soon as I know their idea is in mind, once I get a client, I'll connect it to them. So all of us will be doing that thing. But what really happens in entrepreneurship is, after we go from here, we only talk to some 7 people. We only talk to some seven entrepreneurs over here. Then we'll be in a rush. After we go, we are deeply engrossed in our work. So what I was proposing is, and we are lack of, everyone is don't have much of money. So what I was proposing is, we'll try to have some city chapters. Let's say I am this batch, whatever 7 cities are there, we'll have some 7 chapters of cities. So what I was thinking is, we'll arrange for picnics. So you guys come to our place, we'll arrange for everything. Don't worry. I mean, if it's not bus and or something, we can hire some dost ka bike leke and all, we can all go there. So it will be like a social gathering to add to your point. So all these people coming together, sharing their experiences and having fun also.
Some kind
And
of
that too at a very low
some
cost.
kind of retreat,
Yeah, yeah.
entrepreneurial retreats.
Yeah,
That's what it means.
yeah,
Yeah, I will be very happy to walk with you in the forest.
yeah.
If you want
Of course,
to
no
have
issues, sir.
a retreat in the forest,
Yeah, there are bird sanctuaries I can take you there. No
Balaram
issues.
or
Everyone.
Jessore or somewhere, we can have a walking history. Because
Yeah.
I love walking.
Yeah.
I don't like, I mean, today I am sitting here and talking to you, but I would prefer if we were walking somewhere and talking. So, all right, that's a good idea. Now, we have come to the next issue, which is very critical. We have not spent too much time except when Nirmal talked about it. Social enterprises. We define social enterprises as those ventures where the customer does not pay at all or full cost of the product and service that they are getting. Now, if you are recovering cost and then you are doing something which is useful for society, every enterprise is a social enterprise then, because everybody is serving some need and they are recovering their cost. So, only distinction then I draw is, no, customer does not have to pay for every service. There are a lot of things that we have all used in our life for which we did not pay. Lot of content you download from web for which you did not pay. This time, this workshop, you have not paid anything for that, correct? So, there are a lot of things that we do in our life for which we do not pay. Is it possible to have an ecosystem for such entrepreneurs who want to meet needs of those customers who can't pay for those services? Homeless people, old people, working class, laborer class, let us say children without orphans or whatever other, or remote area tribal people or other people who are needing many services, but are not able to pay for them. And they need this. If we only cater to those who can pay for it, then a large segment of our society is left out. And these people sooner or later will get angry, and then we will have violence, we will have unrest. We cannot have peace. Please understand, peace and order is not possible in a society which excludes large number of people unserved. It is not possible. You can create smart cities. That is why I talked today in my column I wrote, you must make cities that exist smarter, and also you can create new smart cities, but then that is not the answer to the need of making cities smarter. And I said smartness in the city without Samvedana is not possible. Samvedana is fundamental. So, what is your idea about how do we promote more and more social enterprises? Have you had anybody has an idea, has had ideas, faced problem in launching that? Anybody wants to share anything on that? Yes.
So, my concept is Care Mother, as I mentioned, and our idea is to provide at-door healthcare access for pregnant women during 0 to 9 months, and particularly in rural regions. So, the problem that we are facing, the healthcare implementing agencies are very much ready to implement, but those organizations, NGOs, don't have money for having recurring cost of the system. Or
how much does it cost?
So, it costs totally with software, hardware, everything 30,000 rupees.
30,000.
Yes. And so, and it can not for the per pregnant woman. So
device how much costs?
the total system costs 40,000 rupees, and if you calculate the amount per woman, it goes around 300 to 400 rupees for 9 months.
You are saying that if an Anganwadi worker had it,
Yeah.
and she could have data for all the women in that,
Yeah.
one device can hold data for many women?
Yes, absolutely. She can gather at least number of women she can. So we calculated that, and then price would go around 300 rupees for complete 0 to 9 months.
This is not much actually.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
So what's
but-
happening
but-
now? Tell
but
us.
It's, yeah, but there is another story to it. It's just a test. It's like a preventive approach, but there is delivery cost related to it, and if there are some treatments, there is another cost. Plus, for the healthcare implementing agency, there is a cost for health workers or ASHAs who are operating in that area. So, for this implementing agency to manage this cost is really difficult and a real challenge, and they are completely dependent on donor agencies, and there is a gap. So, who pays?
Have you had any client to buy in your product so far?
Yeah, yeah. So those who have got good funders, they have. So
How
like
many people have?
3 organizations in different regions. So for example, Headgear Hospitals in Aurangabad, they bought 10 kits, and they are working. So because they have support from some industry and who are supporting their outreach programs. But there are some organizations in Thane, in tribal areas, who liked our concept, they want to implement, but it's more than 4 months. Both of us are trying to get funded for that.
All right, all right. We have an offer to make here,
Yeah.
and we were waiting for this opportunity. We have SIF, khol the site ko, sif.srishti.org/crowd. We have not yet launched, we will be launching shortly within a few weeks, maybe maximum 1 week or 2 weeks. It is a crowdfunding site.
Great.
Make a small video, make a small 1 minute video, not more than that, 1.5 minute pitch, and a small text of not more than 200 words or maybe 150 words maximum, and links to your site and links to the customer satisfied organization who have used your product, and mention what is the target, how many places you have commitment for people to install it, if they can, somebody can fund it,
Sure.
correct?
Sure.
Their commitment letters can be linked.
Okay.
You can put on your site and link them there.
Perfect.
So that then we will mount the campaign and see how what happens. All right.
Yes.
So if you can get commitment for people who will pay for it, somebody says, look, 30,000 rupees, how many women can be served by this one device?
So roughly a health worker can cover around 10 women in a day. So in a year, but practically in a year around 300 to 500 women can be covered in through one kit.
Okay. So cost is about, let us say, 100 rupees per pregnant woman,
Yes.
and we will ask people to minimum size is 100 rupees. So they can cover only one woman per device, and you need many more, 300 more to cover the full cost, and you need 3,000 more to cover 100, and so on and so forth. So
Yes.
people can pay
Yeah.
people can pay any amount of money that they want, but minimum is 100 rupees,
Yes.
so that at least one woman gets covered.
Yeah.
You know that. So let us
Yeah.
try, let us
Yes.
try, and I would like that when we do this, we would like all of you to promote on your pages these kind of campaigns, because these are campaigns we will launch for each one of you. All of you who have ideas, who need crowdfunding, we will put our social capital at stake. We will do it only after we are convinced. We have seen the reports of your customers who have used it. All that vouchsafing we will do, because credibility is at stake. We can't put up anything which has not gone through some scrutiny. So we will do that. Don't mind those questions. We will need that evidence, but we are willing to support all such social ventures where customer can't pay, or a client can't pay, or for someone who you are helping can't pay, because in Assam, which has the highest maternal mortality rate in India, we would wish that Keyur and you work together somehow and find out Soratia and they, so that they have also developed Chetna. So we have listed that here. We can find out some way, because we don't want any mother or any child to suffer just because existing facilities couldn't be extended to them. I mean, we are not asking for any new facility, we are not asking for any new test. Things that exist within the range that they exist, we are not able to provide them. Your device really empowers that, makes it possible. So we will do that. Any other idea that you have? Yes. Sir, like DGSND or RC का तो government हाँ, yes. तो सर ये इन लोगों को इसमें help मिल सकती है? कैसे? सर उनमें अपनी product approve करवानी होती है. हाँ, फिर उसके लिए order दे सकते हैं लोग. हाँ, तो directly उसमें मतलब DGSND लिख लो, उसको rate contract होता है वहाँ से. या. So they don't have to issue tender, they can directly buy. This is very good for health departments. Once it comes under DGST, you can, all health departments in the country. Directorate General of, what is that? Supplies and something, distribution or something. DGSSD, Directorate General of Supplies and something. So this department gives rate contract, and once you get a rate contract, your rate is approved and the specifications are approved, no department of government needs to issue a tender for buying from you. So it's a very powerful thing, and it's a good suggestion, very good suggestion. I like that. Any other point?
Like you said, that this ecosystem needs to be developed, social, and I think this is a very good.
Not developed. We have developed it today already. Today we have developed the ecosystem. Haven't we done that? Since morning, what are we doing here? Huh?
Yes.
So please don't say it needs to be developed. We should use the language of past perfect now. We have developed, we will do it, we'll develop it more, but we
Okay,
have
sir.
already developed that.
Okay,
You have had designer here, you had chartered accountant here, you had investor here, you have everybody, you have a entrepreneur here, somebody who is going to promote your product on 25,000, 15,000 autos in 5 cities. We have so many people here, advertisers here. So ecosystem तो बन रहा है यार.
Yes, sir.
And I'm के student थे यहाँ पर बहुत सारे, अभी सुबह से अभी थोड़ा कम है. The many students are still there. PGP 1 and PGP 2. PGP 1 will be there for 2 years, so they're also here. They will also work with you. Go ahead.
Sir, so what I was saying is ki ecosystem is there, I agree. So I talked to one VC also. My concept is related to energy generation, electricity generation. And I know there are more than 1 billion people on earth who are still disconnected from electricity. And I mean, lot of percentage of that will be in India, right? So if we can supply electricity to them, I told this thing to a VC and he said, ठीक है, मेरा पैसा कितने साल में वापस आएगा? Because sir, those people, they cannot pay, that we need to understand. But if we can implement the software model, getting traction, getting traction by supplying them electricity, they are there, the client is there, but they cannot pay. But if we get the traction, okay, I install a 100 kilowatt plant and I provide.
उसमें एनर्जी में बहुत कुछ है, एनर्जी में काफ़ी कुछ हो रहा है.
Yes.
बिकॉज स्मार्ट ग्रिड है, एनर्जी में सोलर का है, एनर्जी में विंड का भी है. एनर्जी के अंदर काफ़ी, मतलब एनर्जी में उतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अभी. बायोमास में प्रॉब्लम है, बायोमास और हाइड्रो में प्रॉब्लम है. मतलब स्मॉल हाइड्रो प्रोजेक्ट, वी डोंट हैव सच गुड ट्रैक्शन फॉर देम एंड वी डोंट हैव वेरी गुड थिंग फॉर मतलब हाइडल, स्मॉल हाइडल एंड बायोमास गैसीफायर्स. यहाँ पर दिक्कत है थोड़ी सी पब्लिक पॉलिसी में. बट सोलर और विंड में तो बहुत है, बहुत कुछ है. वहाँ कोई बॉटलनेक नहीं है अभी. कोई लगाना चाहते हैं तो उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अंडर इफ देयर इज नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ग्रिड कवरिंग यू, then getting a solar unit is not very difficult today, I am told.
But sir, they are not able to pay. This is what I'm saying. If we install them for free, say if the 100 people are not able to pay in some small, say,
Well, we can try on crowdfunding. We can try on crowdfunding side. We can, some village can, a community can put up an appeal that we want to have light in our village. This is what will cost, and this is what our target is. So people want to pay for it, they can pay for it. We have no problem. So what I am saying is, as crowdfunding side, we will only take socially relevant enterprises, which can also include hard technology. Somebody has a hard technology, they want to develop a product, they need some money for R&D, we can include that. If we are convinced that it is going to meet an important social need, we will include that.
okay.
We will include that. Actually, at the moment, all the projects are such which have hard technology projects. So
Yes,
far, we
yes.
have not put any service project. But what that person, what his name, Shantanu was saying was, we will put up that because it is a hard technology, but the people for whom it is intended are not able to afford it.
Yes, yes.
We can also try that if middle class or richer class buys this, they can sponsor one more. You can develop a model like that. Have you done that? Because many modern well-off ladies will also like to have this device, they could have it. And you can say that, look, if you take it one, maybe you can sponsor one for those who can't afford it. And we can give you data on which community is using the device sponsored by you, so that you feel that it is not just siphoned off. I mean, we are giving it, we have not made money out of that, we are really given to some needy community.
Yeah, so there is definitely possibility on that side, and we have talked with different self-help groups and government agencies also in Maharashtra.
All right.
But there comes another part of healthcare regulation, and where this government agency or they want that the health department in the region approves it, that
Correct.
we do it, and then finally linked to the government hospitals.
Correct.
So bringing all this together
Takes
really
time.
taking a lot of efforts, and we are talking with the National Health Mission.
What I suggest is, you can also put up an ad on science, what is that, DevNet. DevNet jobs doesn't cost more than 2,500 rupees. I have used it. I hired 4 people through that, and I am very happy about all the 4. So I am very happy with that platform. I will recommend that you spend 2,500 rupees, put an ad for retired health officials who will help you to create local demand and local approvals for getting this in place. That is a simple thing, and you can give them some margin. So I will not hire you, but I will give you commission, right. So if I am getting 30,000, I will give you, let us say, 3,000 or 2,000 or 1,000, but 500, whatever per piece, and if you can do that 10, you get 10,000, if you get 100, you get so many thousand, and let us try. What is the harm in trying this model? ठीक है ना? Try करके देखो. This might work. Yes, please. Any other social entrepreneurship idea or a process or a mechanism that will help uncover more social enterprise ideas? How do we encourage? Because we don't get as many entries of social enterprises as we get for hard technologies. We are not getting them. So, there is something missing somewhere in our education system, in our young people's aspirations. कहीं कुछ कमी तो है जिसकी वजह से we are not getting too many ideas. There are a lot of needs which are unmet, of course, there is no question about that. Any other thought? All right, so we will close. Yeah.
Sir, there is a concept of Seva Cafe here.
Yes,
And I wanted to start the same concept back home in Raipur. But then when I discussed the idea with my dad, the point was that having a whole space which Seva Cafe has, or having that kind of a space, would need some initial investments. Where is that going to come from?
Put up your proposal on crowdfunding. We like this idea. I have been to Seva Cafe. It's a wonderful idea. If those of you have not gone, how many of you have gone there? Oh, quite a few. Quite a few. Good. Those who have not gone may like to go. There you are not given a bill. You pay as much as you wish. You understand? You eat what you wish and you pay what you wish. No bill is given to you. And people can also cook there and serve. So, you can also offer to cook there. It is on top floor. It's same building, same place? Yeah. Which building? Which the place address? Opposite Municipal Market. There is a lift. You take the lift, go to the top floor, and that is where it is. People know there, so you can ask somebody also. Good, very good. So, yeah, good, Swati. So, I am looking forward to eat in your Seva Cafe one of these days, someday when I come that site. But it's a good idea. Now, we would like to promote such ventures on the crowdfunding side which serve a social need, which create a generous spirit. This is a very good spirit. You value the work and you pay what you want. So, generally people pay more, not less actually, and that is okay, that is fine. And they pay more. So, there is no, but you are getting out of the mercantile economy and going into the economy of gift, economy of generosity, economy of love and affection. It's a very different word, yes.
There's one point to add to it. They have a nice concept. Whatever is accumulated today, based on that budget, the next day's ingredients are prepared.
Okay.
So you know if you're eating something special, people.
Somebody paid yesterday. Achha, I didn't know that. Okay. No, that is correct. But what I am saying, what she is saying is that if you get more, then the ingredients of the next day might be more richer or more diverse or whatever. That I didn't know. That's interesting. No. Quantity whatever you take. Good. Okay. So, we will close this point here. There are 2 or 3 suggestions that we had here, that there should be of course ventures, incentives for this kind of technologies, but we also realize that we need more ideas. So, if you have any other ideas of promoting social entrepreneurship, write to us. We would like to take them forward. If you think something that can be done by us or anybody else to promote that, write to us. There are many devices that we have which will not reach the people unless somebody else paid for them, particularly for needy people, for old people, for children in the municipal schools. If we need to give open source content in local language to our children, somebody has to pay for it to create that content.
In our college, we have a group called NU Hope. It's called NU Hope, and it is initiated by founder Karan Shah. He was our senior, and we all are working on it. We go to a municipal school near Himalaya Mall. So we go there, we teach them, like the students in 6th standard, they don't even know how to calculate fractions and all, like percentage questions and all. So they are not able to do that. And in our curriculum, we have profit and loss questions. So the basics they don't know. So we try to teach them in local languages. We have quizzing platforms, then videos.
Can you, what's the name please?
Vishakha.
Vishakha, can you also create in Gujarati, Hindi or whichever language?
We have already created the questions in Gujarati, quizzing platforms in Gujarati.
Okay. So we will please, our some the friend is here for education wala group ka jo tha chala gaya student wo, he has gone. But what we will do, we will send to me a mail.
Sure, sir.
I'll put you in touch with our education group. There are clubs in IMA which do
Sure,
that,
sir.
and we will get them to get in touch with you when we start this under the flyover facilities.
Because we are searching for different schools also. We have
Any one of
people-
you has access to open source local language content for children, please write to us. We want to share that content very widely if possible. In fact, our dream is that we will be able to share, if I can send those of you who are interested in CBSE grid, class wise, subject wise, topic list. I have a list of all the topics, all the classes, all the subjects. If you can make some lessons, those of you who are interested in education for children, we will get it sent to all the 650,000 villages of the country, so that our children, no matter where they are, they will have access to the top quality content. They may not have access to top quality teachers, but they should have access to top quality content, so
First
that
of all,
asymmetry between rich and poor can be.
First of all, we are focusing on mathematics part.
Math,
because-
science are the major
yes,
problem.
Yes,
And
because
language,
these are the
English.
main problems.
Correct.
Because if they are not clear in these fundas, then
Correct.
we cannot target the
Correct. I agree.
language.
I agree, Vishakha. It's wonderful. How
So-
many lessons do you have?
Actually, the whole maths part for 4th, 5th, 6th.
You have done it?
We all have made
Gujarati?
it. Yes, we have
Gujarati?
made the quizzing platform in Gujarati.
Wonderful.
With the videos. Videos also, there are videos we have made in Gujaratis, and for the basic
Chetan Pandya,
lessons
abhi nahi hai wo. All right,
and the
we will do
quizzing
that.
platform.
Iska email le lo, and we will yes.
One way that I have tried to take this open source into next level through my startups is that one of my startup, as we were talking earlier, was about softwares, and most of the softwares that I've created are open source. So what has happened is this has allowed a lot of students and a lot of people who need softwares to look at the codes and realize how they can better it and how they can make the things that they need. And since I have a very large database of softwares, it is easier for people to find out exactly what they need. And on the
How many
similar-
softwares you have?
Yeah, I have 200 softwares. And on the similar note, on the
Well, if you wish, we can either upload them or link to our site, our education page, so that anybody and everybody who is looking for open source softwares can access that. You can do that. Good. Very good, very good. No, I think I will very much encourage you to think of educational content for children, because all that we are discussing here for startup, entrepreneurship, if those kids don't come into this stream, then what are we doing? Who are we doing it for? So it's a long term investment, but we have to think of a day when many of you sitting here will be from those schools. That's our wish. That's all of us should wish that because they are in majority, but they are also underprivileged. They are not getting attention. There are hardly any policy which is aiming at improving quality of our schools. We are really not doing much. So very good, very nice, good. Now the next is this the last one?
We'll take a last session, I think, after the tea break probably.
Chai? Or we can chai अंदर पिला दो उसको.
Chai अंदर पिला दो.
हाँ अंदर पिला दो. हाँ तो टाइम बच जाएगा because we finish by 4:30 then. हाँ, so get the tea served inside. जरा ध्यान रखना भाई टेबल पे गिरे नहीं. We don't normally allow, but I am getting an exception. So we save time, है ना? अंदर ही पिला दो. So now this is very important, which is how do we create a knowledge network for open innovation model. Now knowledge network for open innovation model will require reciprocity, will require exchange, will require mutual trust, will require some kind of opportunity for creating having a balance between private goods, common goods and open source or public goods. All of us should remember that each one of us has an opportunity to make three kinds of goods, right? Private, common for a community and public for anybody, everybody. The ratio of these three kinds of investment that we make every week determines how happy we are. You may be spending 99% time in only creating private good, but then don't complain, sir, कहीं से energy loss हो रहा है, मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है. मज़ा जब ही आएगा जब when you do something for common good or something for public good. That's what gives you maja, because then you know it's a pure joy, pure happiness. Nobody can take that away, nobody can subtract that, nobody really can pay you enough for that. There is no price for it. अमूल्य है वो. So how do we create a knowledge network? You know, Honeybee Network has been trying for last 25 years. The Honeybee does the cross pollination, and also we try to give identity to people. इनको Honeybee की कॉपी नहीं दिया यार, किसी को भी नहीं दिया, मंगवा लो अगर है तो. हाँ, somebody can go. आज तुम मेल चले जाओ, वो जाएगी, वो जाके ले आओ. She will bring, बैठ जाके ले आओ. So बस तुम रहना, वहाँ कोई ना कोई होगा ना विंग में, देख लो. So cross pollination, how to connect people to people. Second, how to make anonymous people who have a lot of richness in knowledge get identity. उसका logo दिखा दो. And third is, if you generate any benefit, a reasonable share should go back to people whose ideas made that profit possible. So if you got a recipe, our friends in organic, from some community, and if that recipe becomes successful, then small part of the additional value, incremental value that recipe generates should go back to that community. That is the idea. It does not make you poor, it does not really affect you, but it makes that community feel good about it. They have not asked for it, mind you. 99% people who have shared their knowledge with us during our Shodh Yatras and otherwise have not asked that we should pay them, but it is a good thing to do. So this is what Honeybee Network does, and thanks to Honeybee Network that we have a good community of people who are supporting us. SVNIT Surat, for example, our professor is here, the director Dr. Pore is a very good, strong well-wisher. Many of the institutions from where you have come, we have very many friends in IIT Bombay, other places, in Nirma and so on. Our idea is that the knowledge network is not getting formed as much as individual level contacts are being formed. So it is not necessary that next batch of Nirma or next batch of your college or next batch of your college necessarily will know what are the pathways through which they can join hands and create better society, more creative contributions. That pathway has not been yet built, and for last 25 years Honeybee Network has been trying that. So during January 19 to 22nd, when we have this conference, we will hope that some of you who will come back will meet other people and see how cultural creativity, institutional innovations, technological innovations and educational innovation in all the 4 spheres, how do we build symmetry. So if there are teachers who are doing wonderful job, can they take your what you call that circuit, what is that? Circuitry to schools in villages. A lot of teachers will be there and they can take your kit to interior villages of Gujarat, very simple, and Maharashtra. Similarly, there will be people from Manipur, Imphal, they can take it to Manipur. So if we can design some system and if you can put it on crowdfunding, how many kits you want to distribute, we will put for crowdfunding and we will get it sent to practically all the states of the country and many other countries. People in Brazil can take it, South Africa people are coming, many other countries, Zimbabwe people are coming, they will take this kit with them, and if they want they can copy, do whatever they want, right. So let us try that some of the things that we have discussed today, whether your device or something, can reach as many people as possible in as many countries as possible. We call it G2G model, grassroots to global. So globalization that the West created was where large corporations sell things to small people, that is what they do. What we do is how to create large markets, global market for small people, small g to capital G, that is our model. And we have succeeded in fact in many cases where products made by grassroots innovators have reached various countries of the world. That has happened, but we need to do more, and we need to do for all of your products, not just for those products. Everything that you have done, the concept, the model, the technologies that you have developed, I mean there is no reason why every lineman should not have that helmet, you know. Every person who climbs the tower to fix things and there are high tension lines, and then the fellow gets suffers because of the current, induction current. So therefore we should find out ways in which everybody gets that helmet that you have designed, or that jacket. Every worker of our country, every construction worker, every coolie at railway station should have that jacket, isn't it? That load bearing device, so that weight from the head is distributed over the body. Now, these are not the things for which necessarily coolie will pay, but we need to find people who will pay and who will say, okay, all the coolies at Ahmedabad railway station I sponsor. हो गया, बड़ा काम नहीं है ये. I don't know how much cost it costs. एक काम करो यार, कुछ कुलियों को दे दो ना हमारी तरफ से. Give to 10 people, let us see whether they will use it. क्या होता है ना, there is a resistance to new idea. When they use it, they will tell you, give the feedback. तो उसके लिए क्राउड फंडिंग भी डालो यार.
हाँ डालता हूँ.
लिखो कितना पैसा चाहिए तुमको.
अपलोड करूँगा.
हाँ हाँ. That was one of the things that we discussed in that meeting also. There was somebody interested actually in that.
We have the name, we will show it after
Huh.
the discussion.
We will show you that. So, but in any case, let us find out how much the die will cost and so on. So, any one of you who has product and services, दे दीजिए. Any one of you who has product and services which require crowdfunding support, which require open innovation network to support them, we are creating this network only for that reason. जरा दिखा दो एक मिनट के लिए, टेक वीडियो भी दिखा दो और वो दिखा दो 2 मिनट के लिए. Just show techvideo.in. So, these platforms that we have created are essentially platform for technology students. Most of you are students. There are 200,000 projects here already. Many of you may have, may not have. You can upload them there from your college. You want visibility for your juniors, get their abstracts uploaded. क्यों भाई करना पड़ेगा ना. वो तुम लोगों ने किया था शुरू यार 2009 में. He was one of those along with Hiranmay who did go to college. पूरा कितनी मेहनत की थी इन बच्चों ने यार, पूरे देश में चले गए and they did it. You have to do that again in SVNIT. It was done in SVNIT. SVNIT की डॉम में हुआ था ये काम, हॉस्टल में हुआ था. कौन से हॉस्टल में था भैया? H4 में हुआ था ये काम. H4 का तुमने नाम नहीं डाला यार. ये डालना चाहिए. मातृभूमि जो है इसकी वो H4 है ना. कि लिख दे इसको. H4 में एक पत्थर गाड़ देंगे जाकर हम लोग. टेकपीडिया का एक स्टोन लगा देंगे दीवार पर वहाँ पर, है ना भाई. जो भी आए ना उस कमरे के अंदर उसको पता चलना चाहिए इस कमरे में क्या क्या बड़े काम हुए हैं. हाँ. So, this is the platform where you have and show the awards, Gyati Award.
We have declared 3 awards have been done. 12, 13, these are some of the people. And 2015, the last date is 31st January. They have got quite a bit good entry this time also. But this time, the award function will be in Rashtrapati Bhavan.
On 8th of March, there is a function in Rashtrapati Bhavan where Gandhian Young Technological Innovation Awards will be given. On 7th of March, there will be biennial Grassroots Innovation Award, which our president will give. On 9th, there might be IMA Social Public Service Delivery Innovation Award. 10th, there will be meeting of innovation clubs. 11th, there will be Medical Innovations Award, Department of Biotechnology and Indian Council of Medical Research. On 12th, there will be a Swachhata, a Jamboree of Technologies for Sanitation. On 13th, there will be a meeting of bankers to think of how banks can support innovation. So, these are the activities planned during the Festival of Innovation, March 7 to 13. Every year till our current president is in office, every year March 7 to 13th is booked for Festival of Innovation. Our honorable president would not go anywhere else. He will dedicate this time to meet with the innovators, to interact, to encourage them, and there will also be an Innovation Scholar in Residence program started on March 7th. 10 innovators will be welcomed in a reception by the honorable president on March 7th, and this will start on March 6th, but for March 7th for 15 days they will stay in specially built suites for innovation scholars. Last year there were 5, 1 school child, 2 students of technology, Gyati Award winners, and 2 grassroots innovators. This year there will be 10. This is one of the unique provision. Nowhere in the world you have innovators staying at the head of the state's place. India is the only country which gives you this support. So, please feel free to be participant in all these functions that I am mentioning to you, 19 to 22nd. You can come and attend some sessions if you want. Program will be uploaded tonight. So, you will have a draft program of the conference, and 7th to 13th will be by invitation, but we can send the invitation to anybody who wants to come there. in Delhi, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Passes will be required for 7th, but for other days most likely you will be able to come, but we will arrange even those days to ensure that you are able to, you are allowed to come inside the hall. Open innovation platform that we are talking about, all the databases we have created are open access. We do not charge anybody for anything, and these are they are in their class, they are the largest database in the world, in their class. For example, you will not find a database of student projects anywhere in the world. I always tell people when they come, yesterday there were people from Olin and this Babson College in Boston, few days back there were students from Berkeley, and I said, can you show me projects of Berkeley, MIT, Stanford at one place? They can't. But in India we have done that, IITs and IITs, whatever. Reason is we want to promote collaborative learning, and we want to promote building on each other's ideas, and we want to promote relay model of innovation, Kho-Kho model of innovation, Kho-Kho model of innovation. निर्मल ने यहाँ तक कर दिया, कोई उसको और आगे लेके जाओ. Let every auto have a solar roof. ठीक है, and we can brand it. So different companies can sponsor, different solar companies लिख देंगे letter यार, solar association को एक letter लिख देंगे. We will ask them that if you want your brand to be visible in Ahmedabad, here is an opportunity for you. You can sponsor roof, solar roof on the autos, and whatever it takes to use that hybrid, we can hybridize the engine or something can be done. ठीक है ना, थोड़ा सा energy and environment बेहतर होगा अहमदाबाद का, उसमें क्या दिक्कत है. So a lot of things are possible where collaboration can be done, platforms can be created. I am sure we will create one experiment with him. We will put idea box in every auto. ऐसा कुछ करेंगे, एक छोटा सा आइडिया बॉक्स बना देंगे, हर एक ऑटो में लगा देंगे. भाई जिसके पास भी कोई नया आइडिया डाल दो उसमें यार. सही है ना. और ठीक है यार, अब SMS करना है तो कम से कम SMS का नंबर डाल देंगे. भाई इस फ्री नंबर पर आप SMS कर सकते हो, कोई चार्ज नहीं लगेगा आपका. SMS कर दो अपना आइडिया नंबर डाल दो और बस हो गया उसके अंदर. और उस आइडिया पे जो भी नंबर आएंगे वो सब हमको पता है जी ऑटो से आए हैं, उसका सब डेडिकेटेड नंबर होगा. ठीक है ना. और जो प्राइज़ आएगा उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, वी गिव प्राइजेस अवार्ड्स टू दोज हु इनोवेट, बट वी ऑल्सो गिव अवार्ड टू दोज फ्रॉम थ्रू हुम वी डिस्कवर द इनोवेटर. तो उस ऑटो ड्राइवर को भी बुलाएंगे यार, जिसके ऑटो से बढ़िया आइडिया आया. सच कह रहा हूँ मैं, दैट्स आवर पॉलिसी. जो स्काउट है, आप देखिए हनीबी में स्काउट का भी नाम देते हैं हम, और जो इनोवेटर है उसका भी नाम देते हैं. तो हम उनको बुलाएंगे राष्ट्रपति भवन में, अगर किसी को नेशनल प्राइज मिल गया तो. दैट वी विल डू. So there are a lot of such things that we can do through your network. Please feel free. I'll stop for, we have 10 minutes more. If you have any suggestion to make open culture, what you are doing my boy, more vibrant, open culture. देखो that little boy of school से कहता है मैंने 200 सॉफ्टवेयर बनाए, सब open source हैं यार, परवाह नहीं है उसको. At this age he has such an open heart. God bless him. He will go a long way, I can tell you, because to have this feeling of sharing and not thinking कि मुझे क्या मिलेगा इससे, अरे यार सुख तो मिल रहा है ना, जॉय तो मिल रहा है, क्यों भाई, जॉय तो मिलता है ना. तो फिर तो वो जो जॉय है, वो जो खुशी है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू नीड टू हैव ए बिजनेस मॉडल फॉर सर्टेन थिंग्स, आई एग्री. बट अभी की तो बहुत जल्दी है ना, अभी तो 5 साल हैं इसके लिए पढ़ने का, 4 साल और पढ़ेगा, 5 साल पढ़ेगा, तो उसके बाद पैसे कमाने की बात आएगी. एट दिस एज ही शुड नॉट बी थिंकिंग अबाउट अर्निंग मनी, लेट हिम डू व्हाटएवर ही वांट्स टू डू. एंड वी नीड मोर सच किड्स, वी नीड मोर सच किड्स. नेक्स्ट टाइम हिरन में जरा बच्चों को बुलाओ यार इस मीटिंग में. यू कैन कॉल, हैव ए सेपरेट मीटिंग फॉर स्कूल स्टूडेंट स्टार्टअप, है ना भाई. एक ऑर्गेनाइज दैट, यू हैव टू टेक द लीड. सही है ना. क्या नाम तुम्हारा? निर्माण. तुम्हारा काम है निर्माण करो. एक स्कूल चिल्ड्रन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का पर एक मीटिंग करेंगे हम IIM के अंदर. ठीक है. निर्माण और कोऑर्डिनेट करेगा, हिरन में मेंटर करेगा, खाली ऑर्गेनाइज तुम्हें करना है. और उसमें कुछ बच्चे कम 30% चिल्ड्रन शुड बी फ्रॉम म्यूनिसिपल स्कूल्स, म्यूनिसिपल एंड रूरल स्कूल्स. अगर हाफ नहीं हो सकते तो 30% तो करो यार, अदरवाइज विल बी टॉकिंग टू द प्रिविलेज्ड किड्स, वो नहीं मजा आएगा. Anything else that you want to say about the meeting today or about this effort that we are making for startups? Anything?
Just share the list. The total IIM alumni chapter, sir and all guys who have decided to create a trust-based support system to innovators, and we sit for 30 minutes to discuss around 10 ideas, and every 3 minutes they commit this much of money, I'm going to give it. I don't care whether it will come back or not. So in the first meeting, we got 13 application and we got around 7 cleared in the support processes. So some needed 2 lakhs, some need 60,000, some need 5 lakhs, some need 30,000 now. And this local alumni network, based upon their interest and their strength, and they not only give the money. So one big aspect of the support system was, it is not about the money, but they bring in the mentoring part. So one of the Gandhian Innovation Award winner was a guy from Himachal Pradesh. He has designed a hydro-operated jute bag making machine, and this guy needs a design support. He needs some mentoring support to take that machine to the market level. So Mr. Dhangai was here in the morning. He is not only giving the money to him, and he also brought down a designer from an ID who will going to work with him for 1 month. It's a design form, free of cost. He's also giving them staying in Ahmedabad for a month and ensuring that the product go to market in a scalable manner. So what we are trying to get through this.
He gave his own house.
In Haan.
He's putting him up in his own house.
Yes. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to experiment such more cases. Almost actually the idea is every month we will clear 5 to 6 such proposals. So these are the ideas mainly in technology where the ideation to prototype.
तुम्हारे कैफे में भी एक आइडिया बॉक्स लगा दो, ठीक है ना? हाँ, वे एक आइडिया बॉक्स लगा दो. हर एक एंटरप्राइज में होना चाहिए एक आइडिया बॉक्स है.
So proof of concept stage.
Workers, employees, visitors, anybody. इसको डालना डाल दें. भेज दो हमको, फिर देखते हैं क्या करते हैं.
So I was discussing with the PGP team here. Right? What we can do is, we can coordinate all such cases and periodically doing a study circle around. We can get to which are the ideas, and not only from Ahmedabad. This may be from anywhere. It may be from Arunachal Pradesh.
Enter club से कोई है यहाँ पर?
Enter club से I think.
Enter club, our enter club person is there.
But they are representing.
कोई बात नहीं. Talk to them.
I'm interacting with entrepreneurs.
So what they took is they decided to take 2 projects to support. So they chose to one Santanu I am working with them. But then we can make it more scale. I mean, there are.
I also am teaching a course currently, Creativity, Innovation, Knowledge Network and Entrepreneurship, CINE, CINE. So those of you who want any specific, those who have innovative idea would like students to do some teaching for you.
Yes.
Because I have to finalize their project synopsis.
Suppose, like, yes.
So I can suggest that idea. That
Santanu was doing that. He needs somebody who can now take his business strategy into next step.
But let me भेज दो, मैं उसको separate कर दूँगा. अभी आज ही कर दूँगा.
Sir, what I was thinking, we'll have to properly work out the specifics of it. Since I am the general secretary elect for the coming batch, not for this batch next year. And what I was thinking is to make the second year students' life more meaningful because the academic pressure is more in the first and
सही बात है.
relatively very less in the second year. So probably these kind of projects where we get to do real things and not just on work on cases which were written some 25 years back and decisions are already taken.
बिल्कुल सही बात.
So maybe something
क्या नाम
we can
तुम्हारा?
sit and work on it.
नाम क्या है नाम?
Ravi Agarwal.
रवि अग्रवाल के लिए एक बार यार ताली हो जाए. We have worked very closely with Rama, his senior, and you know what has happened this year? अब थोड़ा सा मैं we can brag about ourselves a little bit. We have 30 clubs. Ravi, तुम बताओ ना यार, तुम बताओ. Let him tell about what they have done for community outreach. Just mention. You know that.
So yeah, there are around 30 student clubs. The clubs range from, there is a club called Beta, the Finance and Investment Club. There is a club called Consult Club. There is a club called Optima, which is an operations club. There is a club called Niche Marketing Club. There is Footloose Dance Club. There is Music Club. There is Cultural Committee. So every sphere there is something called Stargazers Club also. There is I Am Acts, which is a dramatics club. So by and large, we have everything under clubs. And what we did was that every club came up with an activity, which is a community outreach activity, and whatever is the specialization of that club, every club coordinator and his or her team, they came up with some activity which they will do with the community. So the model was that, let's say Beta Club. So Beta Club comes up and says ki if there are small startups and SMEs who want advice in how to raise capital and how to manage it efficiently, or how to manage their working capital more efficiently, Beta will be willing to provide consultancy, because the members, the student members of the Beta Club, some of them are students who have previously worked for 2 years, 3 years in multinational banks and financial institutions. So they have good experience in which they can and are willing to put across for small and medium enterprises. And similarly, all clubs putting their expertise. IMAX putting, the objective is to do 40 street plays at a time in Ahmedabad at different places. At a time, 40 street plays, by students, not only IMA, but taking all colleges in Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. So these are the kind of initiatives which has been taken up under the leadership of Anil Gupta sir here. And I mean, this is on the cards, these things are happening, and probably will not have 30 activities. We had a meeting with director sir was also there. And what also came out of that is, instead of doing 30 small activities, maybe 5-6 clubs can combine and do one big activity. So 5 or 6 big activities, meaningful activities can be done, and which we think to take forward. This was just the first year which it was proposed, so we think to take it forward.
This is a powerful idea, because every institution has clubs, cultural fest, and whatever have you, but somehow they have remained within the bounds of the institution and have not gone out to connect with the community. Ahmedabad gives us not only cleaner air, better, more hospitable culture. You know, it's a wonderful place to be in, and there is so much debt that all of us have of the city and the state. So idea was that community outreach will be a mechanism by which we share, not give back. I don't believe in giving back. And there were many such people, terminally ill patients, where we don't know how long they will live. And our students performed, and then they came back and mentioned the class. One of our students broke down because she said, I can't believe that someone who is on the tether of the life is so joyful. You know, so they got some insight as to, doesn't matter how long you live, question is whether you live that day fully and completely. So there are many lessons that our students, they have gone, and there was a dance group which went to orphanage, old people house, they had a a band, our band went there and performed in the old people house.
Also the music club performed with IBPA, the Indian Blind People's Association.
Blind People Association. So you know, many of these things add value to the life of other people. Some of it might become social entrepreneurship, social enterprise, if some student gets motivated and wants to go ahead in that field. Then it can become an enterprise where somebody will find a way of paying for all these things, or some of these things eventually. So thank you, Ravi, for being here, and I'm sure that a lot of things that we have discussed today have to be carried forward in the next year with a lot of vigor and lot more energy and lot more systematic thought, so that people who are present here can see IMA as a sanctuary of smiles, where you come with all your burden and you go back with a lot of smiles. Is that right? That's what IMA is all about. We are very happy to be with you. Anybody wants to say anything before we close? We have 2 minutes more. Yes.
These are the 7 innovations which we had shortlisted and given a support of about 5 lakhs of rupees. My appeal to all of you is, especially the graduated startups who contribute to such funds for others. Ultimately, none of us who have contributed to these projects know who are the people whose projects are these. But since it has come through Srishti and we have agreed to support these innovations, the other startups who are present here can also contribute to these or other startups which could come in the foreseeable future. Maybe you can contribute 5,000-10,000 rupees, and maybe if you are slightly better off, maybe 25,000-50,000 rupees, so that we could assist more and more innovations. This money will not come back. That is the principle which we have kept in mind. If it comes back, it will be reused for other innovations. So, since you all have been part of the startups, you know how easy or difficult it is to get money. I think this cooperative spirit of helping other startups go to the next level also perhaps would be worth it.
Yeah, I agree with you. And as I said, this crowdfunding platform, the Social Innovation Fund for social enterprises, for encouraging the less privileged entrepreneurs, the less connected entrepreneurs, the entrepreneurs who can't speak in English, जो लोग हिंदी में बात करते हैं या गुजराती में बात करते हैं या तमिल में बात करते हैं, जिनको अंग्रेजी बोलने नहीं आती है, उन लोगों के लिए हम लोगों को और ज़्यादा एफर्ट करना है, क्योंकि इस देश में ज़्यादातर लोग वही हैं भाई. अंग्रेजी जानने वाले कितने लोग हैं, और समझने वाले तो और भी कम हैं. तो इसलिए हमको तो इसलिए अंग्रेजी की बात नहीं सोचेंगे. हम लोग सोचेंगे कि जो ज़मीन से जुड़े हुए लोग हैं उनके पास कैसे हमारे साधन और सामर्थ्य पहुँचे. जो भी काम आप लोग कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो सोलर की फील्ड में है, किसी भी फील्ड में हो, उसका बेनिफिट उन लोगों तक कैसे पहुँचे. और अगर वो पे नहीं कर सकते तो हम उसके लिए सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप मॉडल डेवलप करें. हम उसके लिए एक फ्रेंचाइजी ढूंढें, उसको बोलें यार तू जनरेट कर, तेरे से हम मार्जिन भी कम लेंगे, ठीक है ना भाई. अगर काम करना है 3D प्रिंटिंग का, तो भाई अगर कोई डिसएडवांटेज कम्युनिटी है तो कम मार्जिन पे भी कर सकते हैं ना काम, ऐसी कोई बात थोड़ी है. So we can make those projects more viable by reducing our respective margins and creating more opportunities for those people to do that. For example, हम समझते हैं सलाद बार खाली संपन्न लोगों के लिए है ना भाई, गरीब लोगों को भी खाना चाहिए ना. नहीं, बात कर रहा हूँ मैं 1 मिनट के लिए. अब मान लो कोई खोलना चाहता है हॉलीवुड, हमारे एक स्लम है यहाँ पर हॉलीवुड स्लम, मान लो वो खोलना चाहते हैं सलाद बार, सपोज कर लो 1 मिनट के लिए, भाई हम सपोर्ट करेंगे ना उसके अंदर. यार तुम एंटरप्रेन्योर ढूंढ लो, हम उसमें इन्वेस्ट करवा देंगे, क्या दिक्कत है, हमारे सोशल इनोवेशन फंड से. लेकिन हम ये ना सोचेंगे गरीब लोग सलाद नहीं खा सकते. क्यों नहीं खा सकते भाई, उनको भी हेल्दी होना है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करते हैं. सो लेट अस नॉट कीप इन आवर माइंड दैट हमारी जो एस्पिरेशंस हैं दे आर वाइडनिंग द चॉइसेस फॉर द प्रिविलेज पीपल, एंड एट द सेम टाइम जो गरीब लोग हैं उनके लिए कोई रास्ते खुल नहीं रहे ज़्यादा, उनके लिए कोई रास्ते ऐड नहीं हो रहे हैं. सो इंक्लूसिव ओपन इनोवेशन सिस्टम, संवेदनशील, संवेदना से सृजनशीलता. संवेदना बड़ा सुंदर शब्द है. सम माने बराबर, वेदना माने दर्द. जब किसी की तकलीफ मुझे उतनी गहरी महसूस हो जितनी उसको होती है, तो वो तकलीफ उसकी नहीं रहती, वो मेरी हो जाती है. ठीक है ना. फिर जो हम काम करते हैं सृजनशीलता का उस संवेदना से, वो स्वांतः सुखाय से प्रेरित होता है. वो मैं अपनी खुशी के लिए कर रहा हूँ, फिर किसी पर एहसान नहीं कर रहा भाई, समझ गए ना. हम किसी पर एहसान नहीं करते, फिर हम अपनी खुशी के लिए करते हैं वो काम. इसलिए कभी मत सोचना कि मैं किसी पर एहसान कर रहा हूँ, किसी के लिए कुछ कर रहा हूँ. हम कभी कुछ नहीं करते किसी के लिए, सब अपने लिए करते हैं. लेकिन हमारे अपने मन में औरों की खुशी शामिल हो सकती है. दैट्स द पॉइंट, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. We must have an empathetic model of innovation. We can't go, there are many good things in West, let us accept it. There are many good things that we have to learn from Western society. Self regulation, वहाँ ट्रैफिक पुलिस में नहीं होता हर जगह पर, लोग अपना रेगुलेट करते हैं ट्रैफिक को, बहुत सारी चीज़ सफाई रखते हैं. There are many things that we should learn from Western society, but there are many things we cannot learn from them. And too much of competition, too much of selfishness, too much of self-centered entrepreneurial process, I don't think is the way in which we need to go forward. We need to bring little more openness, little more communitarian approach, little more common self and private, common and public, a mixture of these three. Proportions can vary. In some enterprise 80% is private, 5% may be common, maybe 10-15% is public, possible, and that is acceptable. We can decide how much of public content is there in our enterprises that we have, but we should have a public content. I know there are cases where G Auto they find some old people, they can't pay, वो ले आते हैं यार, लगा है मुझे मालूम है, ऐसे लोगों को करते हैं वो लोग, कई बार मना नहीं करते हैं कि अगर आपके पास किराया नहीं है तो मना नहीं करते हैं. दूर से आया है कोई, दिख रहा है बुजुर्ग है, अपने बच्चों से मिलने आए हैं, उनको पता नहीं कहाँ है बच्चा उनका, वो ढूंढना पड़ता है कई बार, है ना. ऐसे भी केसेस हुए हैं व्हेन दे हेल्प इन लोकेटिंग, कि बच्चों को पता नहीं पूरा मालूम, पता था भाई वहाँ से चिट्ठी आई थी, बाद बहुत दिन से चिट्ठी नहीं आई, ढूंढने आ रहे हैं क्या हुआ उसका, जिन ठीक तो है. सो देयर आर केसेस ऑफ दैट काइंड व्हेन दे पिक अप एंड दे डोंट माइंड दैट, यू नो, ऐसा हो जाता है कई बार. सो देयर लॉट ऑफ, जो वी शुड रिमेंबर दैट दोज हु हैव लेस शेयर मोर, जिनके पास कम होता है वो ज़्यादा शेयर करते हैं. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव यू ऑल. Hiranma, you want to say anything before we close?
I think we have couple of good points from all of you, and we'll also work with the PGP team here, how to take it sustainably. By now, 1 or 2 cases are being supported. We will see how more can be done. Regarding the senior course, we'll make
in different courses, Ravi, in different courses, चाहे वो marketing के हों, चाहे financial analysis के हों, as you said earlier, let us try to see, let us have an inventory of entrepreneurs, need, unmet needs of entrepreneurs, और जितने courses में हम उनको embed कर सकें करें, voluntarily of course, but at least students को पता तो हो कि भाई ये needs हैं, उसके बाद उनकी मर्जी है, वो लेना चाहे तो ले, ना लेना चाहे.
Sir, I would like to add. So we are now case at 3 of the IIMs, including IIMA, Indore, and I think one of the new ones. So I actually visited IIM Indore few weeks back, and I really got a really good feedback from a lot of students there who actually wanted to come and help. So for us who we really crave for that kind of
Yes.
support. So it actually makes sense to have this kind of mechanism to do that.
Yeah, should I give FII address? Which address should I give? For IIMA?
It can be anything because the FII is one more industry interaction. Generally, they interact with other country club is also.
What the email address?
For email address,
I have it. I'll mail you.
I will mail you the address. We'll mail you the address. FII, I know FII at IIMHD are not in. Actually, FII earlier, Ravi, you should remember, there were 2 forum which we had in 80s and 90s. One was FORSAW, Forum for Social Awareness. Later on, it became SOMA, Student Organization for Management Assistance. Later on, it got merged into FI. So FI is supposed to have two branches, one for industry interaction, second for assistance to the Student Organization for Management Assistance to these small entrepreneurs, small enterprise and so on. I mean that, so that part can also be elevated.
They also opened the Entree Club afterwards.
No, Entree Club is for entrepreneurship alone,
yes.
But the SOMA can assist small businesses, small enterprises which are running for some time. It may not be current and new entrepreneur, so you can think
it
about
totally can, depends on the coordinator of which club is more enthusiastic towards it, and we can just do it.
So we can think about, but anyways, you send a mail and we will pass it on to the right person.
Invited couple of cases. Sarad was in grade 4.
Yes.
So you have invited couple of startups. I mean, Santanu, I mean, if you guys can really make it by that time, so we'll definitely bring in more cases to those classrooms.
And in that, at the time of ICCIG, which we had January 19 to 22, we will have a session only on young innovation. I mean, the young technological innovations. There's a professor from MIT, Amos Winter, who's coming for healthcare and as well as for other innovations. Professor Shashi Bulswar is coming. He's the director of Light Program at Laurel Baker Laboratory, the biggest lab in the world on energy. There is no bigger lab in the world than that Lawrence Baker lab. So he's coming, the director of Light Program there. So there are many top quality, top minds of the world are coming here from different parts of the world. You will have opportunity, some of you who are here, to meet them, and our students will of course have the opportunity to listen to them and to talk to them. And we are going to get into some MOUs for affordable innovations, affordable technologies. They are also very keen to understand how this country develops such frugal solution, you know. वो सब के सब दिमाग उनका घुमा हुआ है इस समय कि हिंदुस्तान इतने कम खर्च में कैसे काम कर लेता है. हमारा जो मार्स मिशन है वो $80 million में हो जाता है, उनका कोई $1 billion से कम नहीं होता है. 10 times less cost में हम लोग काम कर लेते हैं. वो समझना चाह रहे हैं होता क्या है इस देश में, ये कैसे कर लेता है. So there is a lot of interest around the world in learning about frugality from us, but they don't know how much struggle you have to go through. वो उनको नहीं मालूम, वो बताएंगे भी नहीं उनको. But we'll solve that problem. Yes.
So yeah, so I think we can take on that. The session regarding this conference, I will mail you a specific session in which we will have around 20-30 innovators who are trying to commercialize and self-start. And we had given you a feedback form. No need to give it here. We'll mail you the soft copy to you because probably you can write it better. And also we'll send you the spreadsheet which we discussed today, the various segments. Either you can add more segments which you feel could be more into it, and also you can just put as views that, because we are trying to create a compilation. Out of the last discussion of 16 December, we have already created a compilation of 15-16 page of notes. That was more about the top policymakers' point of view and how institutions need to work. Now we have something in the bottom level. So now we'll try to blend these two and create a document, and if possible, we'll try to publish these things during the conference. We will also give this document to the Minister of Development and other people. So your word are really going to matter for this policy also, not only for discussing in this context of getting fund, but this will help many more people who want to start. They can really get benefited by this master thing. So we will share all these documents and the photographs and videos in the page for startups.techpedia.in and also in IAM's page, so that you can get access to that and you can share a lot of the suggestions. And after you go here, I think we could not allow more than 40 startups today here to come, but we had a list of around 200, 300 in Ahmedabad itself. In Mumbai, you might have many. We'll try to filter them in technology, social and other category, and we'll try to later and see.
You can also nominate some.
Absolutely.
So you should help us, you should nominate so that we can get some new people who have not been here today, so that they learn from each other.
Yes. Startup Village and other have agreed that they will also send us, share this spreadsheet to the people there. All the 600 startups there, they could not join today.
You can modify this spreadsheet.
Yes. So if you can
add
start what could be done.
Send us suggestions.
Absolutely. So right from the morning one, we discussed about how do we really scout you, what kind of environment we in the college, till the regulatory aspect. So if you can cover all these areas based upon your journey, not all of you might have started off really well, but some are in the beginning, some are in the college, some are in the school. So I think a wide variety of input will come. So we will be requiring those inputs. Maybe within 3-4 days, if you can send us, it's fine. And then we'll compile and move.
And I want to thank Vimukti.com for providing us this webcasting facilities all the time with courtesy. Hardik is a dear friend. He met me at the airport once, long time ago, and was just sharing this idea that I want to provide the world's cheapest, most efficient, and least bandwidth requiring webcasting solution. I didn't know that he will really do that, but not only that he has done it, he has grown, and he shares this facility with us in all our functions wherever we want webcasting facilities, courtesy of vimukti.com. So ima.vimukti.com. Everybody who is listening to this program, to this discussion, we thank you very much for being with us. I have seen your tweets from all around the world, in Austin and Australia and New Zealand and wherever else, that you have been listening to our discussion. If you have any more ideas that you think we should learn from, or references that you would like us to look at, or sites that we should study more deeply for empowering our inclusive innovators and entrepreneurs, do send it to us. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.